Hello guys, welcome to my new videos about make money online. If you're curious to know more about Amazon's affiliate commission rates, you've come to the right video. In this video you can learn how much you can make money online with Amazon Associate Marketing. Chances are you're considering monetizing your site with their affiliate program but wondering whether it's worth it. In this video, you'll learn what items qualify for commission income and commission rates by product category. Most recently, Amazon slashed its rates in April 2020 as the coronavirus pandemic was on the rise. These rate changes saw publishers take a massive hit. Furniture, home improvement, lawn and garden, pets products, and pantry decreased from 8% to 3%. Health and personal care went from 5% to 1%. Headphones, beauty, musical instruments, and business and industrial supplies decreased from 6% to 3%. Outdoors and tools were cut from 5.5% to 3%. Sports and baby products cut from 4.5% to 3%. Amazon Fresh was cut from 3% to 1%. You earn commissions when visitors click your affiliate product links from your site, visit Amazon, and buy something. Your unique referral link is how Amazon knows you sent them traffic and credits you for the sale. Here's the current breakdown of Amazon's fixed commission rates by category. Amazon Games 20%, luxury beauty, luxury stores beauty 10%, digital music, physical music, handmade, digital videos 5.00%, physical books, kitchen, automotive 4.50%, Amazon Fire tablet devices, Amazon Kindle devices, Amazon Fashion women's, men's and kids private label, luxury stores fashion, apparel, Amazon Cloud Cam devices, Fire TV Edition smart TVs, Amazon Fire TV devices, Amazon Echo devices, Ring devices, watches, jewelry, luggage, personal care appliances, camera, electronics, shoes, handbags and accessories 4.00%, toys, pet products, headphones, musical instruments, business, and industrial supplies, home improvement, beauty, furniture, sports, lawn and garden, outdoors, tools, baby products, Amazon Coins 3.00%, PC components, DVD and Blu-ray 2.50%, televisions, digital video games 2.00%, Amazon Fresh, physical video games, and video game consoles, grocery, health and personal care 1.00%, gift cards, wireless service plans, alcoholic beverages, digital Kindle products purchased as a subscription, food prepared and delivered from a restaurant, Amazon App Store, Prime Now, or Amazon Pay places 0.00%. All other categories 4.00%. The highest paying niche is Amazon Games at 20%, while Amazon gift cards get 0%. At the same time, digital video games, health, and personal care earn a low commission of 1%. Then other categories like automotive and kitchen fall somewhere in the middle. So, for example, if you're promoting PC components, you'll earn 2.5%. If you're promoting home improvement items, it's 3%.
But it doesn't only have to be an individual product details page. You can send traffic to search results pages, the home page, or any related page on Amazon's site. But before you get excited, remember Amazon's low commission rates. Just because you linking to a product page or a search page doesn't mean you'll earn money hand over fist. Thank you for watching this video. Our next affiliate related video I will show you how to get paid and other things of successful affiliate marketer on online era and make money online easily.